her bed. Where's the person? Yeah, there's another person. Where are they going to? Oh, what's he gonna do? Yeah, they don't really fit in there. Yeah, they don't fit in there, so don't worry about that. Have them sit down and take a nap. Maybe they could lay on the bed together. They're sleeping. Let's just sit with you. What are they doing? Is that his bed? Oh yeah, put it on a chair. That's a good place. Look at that. And then put his head on the pillow. Yeah. Oh. Do you need some kind of help? Need to say help? You need help, please? Okay. Do you want Mommy to help or Daddy? I think she wants Daddy to go over there and help. Do you want Mama or Mum? Hey, Dad, help! Oh, you're bringing it to Mommy? Oh, no. Okay. Where are you going with it?